Hello, good afternoon and welcome to SKTV News. You are watching Afternoon English News with Pavini. First, the headlines. Unauthenticated news published by state's YouTubers misleading public regarding various welfare activities undertaken by many individuals, asserts Editors Guild, Manipur President Kogendro Kondram. And hailstorm struck Manipur at midnight causes extensive damage across state. India Meteorological Department issues yellow alert in northeastern states. And now, let's take a look at the news in detail. Editors Guild Manipur EGM President Kogendro Kondram has alleged that YouTubers publishing news without following media ethics has tarnished the image of actual journalists. The statement was made during the one-day media conclave with Harikon, organized by Ethno Heritage Council Harikon, under the theme Role of Media in Making a Society at Manipur Dance College Palace Compound today. The event was attended by EGM President Kogendro Kondram, Harikon President Yumkaibam Surjit Kumar Kuman, and all Manipur Working Journalists Union President Bijoy Kakchingtabam as guests. Speaking further, Kogendro Kondram said that media person will always work hard to publish only facts while urging civil society members to do the same. He maintained that most of the national media personalities ignored Meitei's side of the story during the conflict, which was started on May 3, 2023, while stating that Kuki militants spread their propaganda against Meitei in national media. Furthermore, Kogendra highlighted that Manipur media only published news without mentioning the word Meitei or Kuki by following media ethics, and that relevant state media authority also brought up cases against national media houses who publish defamatory news against Meitei people. While adding that media houses can filter any news, Kogendra emphasized that any journalist need to fact-check before publishing news.
Media outlets in Pudunan start of the Pama Bonga, Pantauda, Ponga, Pongarapa, Kaimatu, the Namaga, Madrid Totana, journalism, ethics, Malay, covering Mamai, PS, Nataga, electronic media, the Inaita, open Bayati, Gazi, Masi, who is the Papa of Sias. It of the Bamayam, the Pope, and Antana, Pulistana, Coca, Tintin, the Mayam, so the Yellow. Madu Yawaka, the way the easy and get lady in the Hurricane. Salaka, the way in the way the result of another in a way, the section of the Sriati, section of the Sriata of the life. I'm afraid of the channel of
For the first time of the current year, a severe hailstorm occurred last midnight, causing damage across the state. Various houses across the state suffered roof damages due to the massive hails, including houses at Lilong Arapti and other places in Thoubal district. Areas such as Yaripok Kekru, Koirong, Bamol Lekai under Wangkem Assembly in Thoubal district also suffered massive damages due to the hailstorm. Additionally, areas in Imphal East district, including Yaripok, also suffered damages such as the houses and the gardens. However, there have been no reports of injury during the hailstorm. On the other hand, according to special weather bulletin published by India Meteorological Department IMD today, yellow alert has been issued for several northeastern states, including Manipur. IMD has predicted that thunderstorms accompanied by gusty winds of 30 to 40 kmph are very likely at isolated places over Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura. However, the situation is expected to improve from tomorrow, with alert shifting to green, indicating normal weather conditions. In an unfortunate incident, an individual passed away after the car he was driving caught fire. Police reported that the incident occurred at around 8 p.m. yesterday at Lamboy Kongnang Kong Mil Leirak under Imphal Police Station in Imphal West District. Manipur Fire Service reached the area shortly after the incident and put out the fire. However, the owner was found to be burned inside the car with registration number MN01AG7086. The person driving the car was identified as Tokchom Roben Singh, age 48, son of late T.H. Gulamjad from Iroishemba Maning Lekai. The dead body was handed over to Reams morgue for post-mortem after police and forensic expert team inspected the body. Police also registered a case regarding the incident. However, the cause of the fire still remains unknown. Arambai Tenggol has expressed gratitude to Union Home Minister Amit Shah for his unwavering commitment to fostering peace and stability in Manipur, while stating that the Home Minister has been pivotal during the state's challenging times. In a press release, Arambai Tenggol also expressed gratitude to Governor Ajay Kumar Bhala for his prompt actions and assurances during the recent meeting with Arambai Tenggol, while adding that the initiative has instilled a renewed sense of hope among the citizens. The organization maintained that the decision to ensure free movement by opening 2 national highways is a significant step towards enhancing connectivity and accessibility in Manipur. They further commended the central government's initiatives such as completion of border fencing along Indo-Myanmar border, the governor's stance against drug business, and the dismantling of illegal bunkers. Arambai Tenggol further expressed that they are fully committed to support all initiatives that promote normalcy in the state. Security forces on Saturday recovered a large cache of weapons and warlike stores from Sairim Kun under Lamshang Police Station in Imphal West District. According to a police source, the confiscated items include 1 5.56 Insas LMG along with magazines and 20 live rounds, 1 AK-56 rifle, 3 SLR rifles along with 3 magazines containing 20 live rounds, 1 9mm SMG carbine, 1 A1 along with 1 magazine containing 8 live rounds, 1 303 rifle with 1 magazine containing 5 live rounds, 1 DBBL gun, 4 highly explosive number 36 hand grenades without detonators, 1 Chinese hand grenade, 2 camouflage helmets, 3 BP vests, and 4 BP plates. Combined team of security force and forest division has destroyed poppy plantation at the hill range of Kudai Laipam village under Tengnopal police station in Tengnopal district as a part of former BJP government's war on drugs initiative. The team, which consists of Subdivisional Magistrate Tengnopal, Security Force and Forest Division Tengnopal, destroyed around 15 acres of poppy plantation at the area. However, no arrest was made during the drive. Singjamay to Lilong Apunba Mayra Bill has strongly opposed the arrest of village volunteers, highlighting their spontaneous emergence as a necessary response to the government and security forces' failure to protect lives and properties during the peak of the ongoing crisis. Addressing a press conference held at the Manipur Press Club, General Secretary Shanti Bala Kaidem emphasized the vital role played by these volunteers in defending the state's territorial integrity. She further praised that the timely actions have prevented further chaos and destruction by the Kuki aggression. While condemning the recent attack on Meitei devotees by Kuki armed persons at the Kongba Maru Shrine, which occurred just a day after several individuals surrendered their arms in response to the Manipur governor's appeal, Shanti Bala expressed concern that the ongoing crisis in the state may have been resolved earlier if the weapons possessed by Kuki groups had been collected shortly after the beginning of the crisis.
Mi haliba akogi lam taliba kuki singdadi khulai la khorbai action je hana tawbira magadi mama obi singna khona benga bani aduga lanchu ngasi mak loisalamga bani aduga ga mena huji khungakpa phana na bagi tawriba khutak lepi ga bani moi phana ba tawra ko taragadi akoi masen ima sing mayang lepina ji haiba wafam asi thamjage akoi su moina tawra iba kaino da akoi su phongjung changsang gani ba.
And now we'll take a short break. Stay tuned for more news.
Pauzen Jaba, February 13, Lissingani Kun Mangadagi, Pangtopa Hokraba, March Kuntaru, Lissingani Kun Mangada, Loigadoriba, Higher Secondary Examination Lissingani Kun Manga Asi, Mahairo Shingna, Tawayauna, Pukning Laitana, Amadi, Nataba Pambai Seasonadana, Examasi, Tabiu, Manipur Langana notice Toktuna Kanghan Kraba, Higher Secondary, Class 12 Examination Lissingani Kun Mangagi, Apunba Center, Jamagatarani Toigi, Akoibada, Mi Punba Yadaba Haiba, Akanba Wafamasi, Miyam, Amadi, Maru Oina, Mahairo Shingi, Ahalaman Singna, Ngangna Chatpinaba, Amuka Hana, Council Limaikadagi appeal Torakli. Higher Secondary Examination Asina, Manipuri Tungi Laibak Lep Kadaba Oibana, Lamda Masida, Laibiriba, Ireja Kuding Magna, Council na Laukachariba, Chatna Kanglon Singna, Chatpinaba, Miyamgi Mafamda, Kanghanjari. Mahairo Shingna Natraga Kanagumba Mioy Singna, Haktengana, Amadi, Nakoina Nataba Pambai Sizinaba, Amadi, Maduda Chenaramba Thoklabadi, the Manipur Prevention of Malpractice in High School Living Certificate and Higher Secondary Examination Act 2024 gi Makada, Jairak Fangbayai.
And welcome back after the news. Sagolban Bijoy Govinda Mairapai Bilup staged a sit-in in Sagolban Bijoy Govinda today in protest against unknown individuals firing guns in public place. Speaking at the protest, Sagolban Bijoy Govinda Mairapai President Laishram Lata condemned the unknown individuals who fired gun at the gate of Sagolban Bijoy Govinda Mairapai Secretary R.K. Sonia's residence on February 28 at around 10 p.m. She emphasized the importance of having a dialogue and clearing any misunderstanding while urging to refrain from such acts in the future. El Lata further demanded the unknown individuals to clarify about the issue.
R.K. Ongbi Soniagi, Magi Mayumgi, Gietsida, Akoi Mapamarang Kangdana, no Mayama Kapselakwadagi, Nungai Taba, Pongdo Poina, Akoi Sigi Portis, Pamjabaneva. Obotabu, Akoina, Yumlakta, Tawiriba, Sigi Tawong Chidi, SY Decanano, Hangbangam Adungapo Sigi Tawong Chidi, Akoi Mayam Sina, Kayoleka Sina, Nungai Taba, Pongdo Pogigoina, Akoi Darana, Nipamji Pamjabani. R.K.
Lamching Lil Kanglaipak CLK today organized a one-day discussion on the topic social issues of Kanglaipak, Manipuri women and child protection, which was held at Manipur Press Club, Imphal. The discussion program was attended by Chairman of Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights, MCPCR, Kaisham Pradeep Kumar, former Chairperson of Manipur State Commission for Women, Professor Dr. Binota Mainam, retired District and Sessions Judge Nutin Shori, and President of CLK CH Pakpi as the main dignitaries. Speaking on the sideline, CLK President Jing Subam Pakpi condemned that cases of sexual assault and crimes against women still persists even during this difficult time in the state. She added that the discussion was organized to tackle such crimes and ensure that perpetrators face fitting consequences.
Lana asuk kalaba suk waringai matam asida khunai ase leiba ibung ipa singjina ngarang nahan matada Thauban district da machanupi bu ijat manghan bagi thaudo ama leikhare pasoida sahi nipu suba ma amadi mapa masana rep tawbugi issue kaya ama tholakpajina maru oiraga ngasi Janura lamjilang kangnai pakna kunai asda laiba ijat mangan bagi thongdo ase kamaina muthat sige kamaina makoi gi ekche sidagi hena chawa ma pira kanda ngasi kunai asda laiba ibung ipa sing asida ngasi gi paujel asi pidana khanane na bagi thoram ase pangthok saban.
Life Saver Manipur to organize a blood donation camp in collaboration with State Blood Cell SHS and HM Manipur and Department of Transfusion Medicine REAMS on March 4. Speaking on behalf of the organization, Manipuri filmmaker Rakesh Naurem appealed to the public to attend the blood camp and donate blood. He also highlighted that the donated blood will be used to provide blood to cancer survivors and other patients to similar illness. Wakalol Manaba Apunba Wama Kanglaipak has informed that the organization will present gift to Namayrakpam Chingkainganbi age 62 for her contribution in state-related activities. In a press release, Wama highlighted that Namayrakpam Chingkainganbi will be presented a reward such as memento, stole and cash reward as a tribute during the International Women's Day observance, which will be organized by Wama on March 8. According to ICAR Regional Center, Lamphilpat state's maximum temperature was recorded at 25.1 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 14.5 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 90% in the morning and 60% in the evening. Manipur received 16.6 milliliters of rainfall in the past 24 hours. And before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Unauthenticated news published by state's YouTubers misleading public regarding various welfare activities undertaken by many individuals, asserts in Editors Guild Manipur President Kogendro Komra. And hailstorm struck Manipur at midnight causes extensive damage across state. India Meteorological Department issues yellow alert in northeastern states. And that's all we have for now. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates.